Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you the process for how you can install investing.com application for your mobile device. Investing is a financial platform and news website. It's one of the global financial website in the world. Now for you to install the application, you need to go to the Google Play Store in your Android device. Now on the search bar, you need to type in investing.com and tap on search. You can see the application investing.com. Over here you click on that and there you tap on install. You can see the application has been fully installed. You just tap on open and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the investing.com application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you.